Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to fix SIM card problem on your Itel A200 Plus device. Just follow the steps shown in this video to solve the issue and use your SIM normally. So if this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started.